Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of watermelon, exploring its origin, health benefits, and some delicious recipes you can make with this delightful summer fruit. So, watermelon has its roots in the Middle East and has been cultivated for over 4,000 years. It's believed that the Arabs brought watermelon to Spain, from where it spread to the rest of the world. Now, it's a staple in many tropical and subtropical regions, thanks to its sweet, juicy, and refreshing taste. But what makes watermelon so healthy? First off, it is an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps prevent infections. It is also a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper fluid balance and muscle function. Watermelon is also low in calories, making it a perfect snack for those watching their fat intake. Now, let's talk recipes. For a quick and easy lunch, try these watermelon rolls. Start with a gluten-free flour tortilla and spread a layer of hummus. Next, add diced watermelon, feta cheese, mint, and a tiny pinch of salt. Fold the tortilla in half and cook on a hot pan until the cheese is melted and the edges are crispy. Serve with a side of Greek yogurt and enjoy. Or for a more decadent option, try this watermelon and feta salad with a mint dressing. Start by roasting some feta cheese until it's golden and crispy. Layer watermelon slices, feta, and mint leaves in a bowl, and drizzle with a light balsamic glaze. You can also add a touch of lemon zest for extra citrusy flavor. Finally, for a summer favorite, indulge in a chilled watermelon and feta soup. Blend together chopped watermelon, cucumber, onion, and garlic with a can of chickpeas, fresh mint, and a pinch of salt. Serve over ice and garnish with feta and extra mint if desired. There you have it, 3 delicious watermelon recipes to enjoy this summer. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more food adventures. Until next time.